A customer stormed into my shop, furious over a $1,200 dealership quote to fix his check engine light on a 5-year-old Toyota. He was ready to sell the car or take out a loan over a little orange light. I looked at the quote, 3 hours of diagnostics, a gold-plated oxygen sensor, and 2 hours of labor. Ridiculous. I plugged in my $30 code scanner, and in 30 seconds found the real issue. A bad downstream oxygen sensor. Online, the part cost $50 and a special socket was $10. The job takes 15 minutes. Total cost? $75 if you do it yourself. That's the difference between being ripped off and being empowered. Dealerships count on you not knowing how simple these fixes are, but you can fight back, and I'll show you how. Why are dealership repairs so expensive? It's all about overhead. You're paying for marble floors, fancy couches, and a small army of staff who never touch your car. Every repair bill covers their luxury image and bloated payroll. Independent shops like mine don't have those costs. We just fix cars. Dealerships use jargon and intimidation to justify sky-high prices. It's not about expert repair, it's about expert-level pricing. Let's break down that $1,200 quote. First, a $150 diagnostic fee for plugging in a scanner, a 5-minute job. Next, a $400 genuine OEM part you could buy for $50 online. Then, $300 in labor for a job that takes 20 minutes. They bill you for book time, not real time, and pocket the difference. Add shop fees and taxes, and a $75 fix becomes a $1,200 nightmare. It's all markups and inflated times, designed to look official. Now you know the secret code. Dealerships are masters of padding the bill. They upsell unnecessary services with vague terms like glazing or looks dirty. Parts are marked up 300% or more, and you're told only OEM will do. Labor is billed by the book, not the clock, so you pay for hours they don't work. Mechanics are pushed to work fast, not carefully. Then come the shop supplies and environmental fees, just more ways to squeeze you. Every step is designed to overcharge you. It's legal, but it's not right. Know the game, and you can beat it. Here's your secret weapon, a $30 Bluetooth OBD2 scanner. Plug it into your car, connect to your phone, and instantly see what's wrong. No more relying on a service writer's story. You get the code and the plain English explanation. Search the code online, and you'll find guides, videos, and advice from real people. You'll know what part to buy, and if you can do the job yourself. Even if you go to a shop, you'll get a fair quote because you know exactly what's wrong. Information is power. Take control before you ever talk to a mechanic. Here's how to fix that oxygen sensor and save over $1,000. Scan your car, get the code, and confirm the problem online. Buy a quality sensor for $50 and a $10 socket. Make sure the exhaust is cool, unplug the old sensor and unscrew it. Install the new one, snug it up and reconnect the plug. Clear the code with your scanner, the check engine light goes off. That's it. You just did a $1,200 repair for $75. No dealership, no rip-off. The hardest part, deciding to try. You've got this. You just saved over $100 by doing a simple repair yourself. Most check engine light fixes, sensors, filters, batteries, are beginner-friendly with basic tools and online help. But know your limits. Leave major engine, transmission, or airbag work to pros. Each small job builds your confidence and knowledge. The more you learn, the less you fear dealership prices. Take control, do your research, and don't panic when that light comes on. The power is in your hands. Now get out there and start wrenching.